Hello. Today I'm going to demo asynchronous DR using two Rancher clusters. Async DR uses an object store to transfer data between clusters. It will ensure that all of our PVCs, PVs, and manifests are present on the destination cluster so that we can activate our application by simply scaling the destination cluster resources. Let's get started. I have two Rancher clusters that I've already paired and are ready for DR. Let's take a few moments to talk about the cluster pair object. The cluster pair object, named demo in this case, contains connection information about the destination cluster, such as the Portworx endpoint, the cluster control plane, authentication information. Also note that when we create a cluster pair object, we can map Rancher projects from the source cluster to the destination cluster. Next, let's take a look at the migration schedule manifest. The migration schedule specifies what we're going to replicate and with what interval. Keep in mind that we can apply more granular selectors by using labels, although we haven't done that here. Let's order some barbecue. I'm in the mood for some barbecue chicken, fried pickles, French fries, and of course, the Pork's special. My order has now been committed to the database with a number of 4445. We're now going to watch for the next scheduled migration. This can take some time, so I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video. We start by replicating the volume by way of an object store. We then replicate all of the resources, deployments, stateful sets, and services to the destination cluster. We add an annotation for the number of replicas for stateful sets and deployments to make recovering the application on the destination cluster easier, which we'll see in a moment. Now that the replication is finished, let's move on. Let's simulate a failure. Let's change context to our destination cluster. I'm going to activate the PX Barbecue application on the destination cluster. This causes all of our resources to scale to the same values, based on the annotations I mentioned earlier, from the source cluster. It now looks like our application is running. Let's connect to the destination instance of Portworx BBQ and make sure our order is still there. And we can see my order of 4445 for barbecue chicken is still there. Thanks for watching.